So let's talk about the Academy in terms of the different programs you offer. There's the summer internship. There's the two other programs, it's called the associate program, the full-time associate, and the experienced associate. Tell me a little bit about the differences of the two and the internship, and if you're able to share out of the internship, what are the offer rates looking like typically year over year?
Sure. So the Point72 Academy was sort of the initial one was really geared at undergraduates. Maybe I'll take you through a brief history to sort of get to all the, get to all those sort of the questions. The Point72 Academy offering started in 2015 with largely as an undergraduate focus. At that time, I think we had 400 applicants and we had 10 seats, and our graduation rate at that point, to be honest, was I think 70%. So it was, to me, that's not great. Our overall, today that we are on an average of 91% as we have evolved who we've hired and how we train people. I think, we have 16,000 applications this year.